I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming updates. This avoids compatibility issues. Once done, make sure your sound file is accessible in internal storage or downloads so Android can see it. Open Android Settings, then Apps, and tap Messenger to access its app-level options. This is where Android grants notification control. Without this step, you can't change the tone. Next, tap Notifications. Inside Messengers, you'll see multiple channels like messages and calls. Tap the one you want to change because each channel can use a different sound. Then select Sound and review the system list. If your tone isn't listed, choose Add from Files or pick Local Sound to import it. When you pick a file, Android may ask permission to access storage. Grant it so the tone is saved. After confirming, the new sound will be assigned to that channel and ready for incoming messages. Once assigned, test the tone by sending yourself a message or using Messenger's preview function to confirm. If the new sound didn't apply, make sure the file is in internal storage, not on removable SD or cloud. Then clear Messenger's cache and reassign the file. This fixes many permission and indexing issues. Also verify Do Not Disturb, per app notification volume, and priority settings, because those can silence alerts even when the tone is set, and adjusting them resolves most remaining problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.